After completing half of the diploma in data science, you are given choice to choose between BA or GenAI. But there may be many questions. So hello friends, konnichiwa. My name is Asma Samasi and today we are going to understand the two pathway of the diploma in data science level. Okay, the choice is given to you for the first time after the whole foundation and half the diploma. Okay, so you must make it count. The reason to make this video is to help you choose the best pathway out of the two, so you won't regret it. Okay, so when you are, like, there's a quote that says that if you're not given a choice, you accept the fate. Okay, but when you are given a choice, the responsibilities is put on your shoulder. Okay, so you either regret or bless your whole decision. Okay, so here, since this is your first decision to make for your diploma in data science program, we are going to see the whole difference between our business analytics and our GenAI and deep learning. Okay, and help you choose which is the best. Now coming to the overview of the difference. Okay, two pathways here. Okay, first is to take business analytics with our BDM project, and second is to take our DL and GenAI with our GenAI project. Okay, for here the prerequisite is our BDM, and for here the prerequisite is our MLT. Okay, so once you complete both, you could take each pathway. Okay, so now the main difference in terms of your dream. Okay, so here in our BA, communication skills and our soft skills matter more. Okay, in our BA and BDM part. And second thing is that here it's more easy to enter the job market than our deep learning jobs. Okay, this is one of the main thing to take care. Okay, here you will give faster jobs, and here the job opening is also very more in India. Okay, so here by no chance, but here probability is very high that after completing even the diploma, you will get job very fast. Okay, and here this is very math less heavy. Okay, so here maths you need very less, but here you need statistics more. Okay, and it's far easy than our DL and GenAI course. Okay, so here this thing should keep in your mind while taking your BA and the BDM project. Okay, here the entry level salary is 4 to 8 LP. Okay, this thing you must remember. Now for our GenAI project. Okay, so here it's basically harder to get your first job. Okay, science, we don't have that much job opening in India, and technology is far too new here. Plus here there are no important data centers like in Singapore, America, Japan or China. Okay, so here it's basically very hard to get your first job in your GenAI. Okay, here portfolio matters a lot. Okay, so if you don't have portfolio by the diploma or after your BS, working as an GenAI is far too harder for you. Okay, here you need strong projects and your GitHub. Okay, and here it is more math heavy and coding heavy. Okay, here you need more your statistical skills, and here you need your both maths and your coding skills. Okay, so here this one is more harder. Okay, so for example, if you are from commerce or your arts background, this one will be very easy for you. Okay, and if you like love to focus on your soft skills, but if you are more into coding, mathematics, or from science or engineering background, this one will be more suitable for you. Okay, so here the entry level job is even 12 to 26 lakhs per annum. Okay, so it's like 3 to 4 times more than our business analytics. Okay, so you must take care of that too. Now the how the course structure is different in our DL JNI and our business analytics. Okay, so first thing is that in our business analytics you need both our business analytics studies and your BDM part too. Okay, that too make a very great foundation for your job role as an business analytics. Okay, so from week 1 to 8 in your BA course you will learn how to use data visualization and summary tools. You will learn how to use regression and run diagnostics in your data, how basically we test our decision using our confusion matrix, our F1 test and other statistical tests, and how you handle time series modeling. Okay, so here in business analytics it is whole course fledged for your work as an business analytics. Okay, here it is less structural but more practical. Okay, and it is enough to get a job as a business analyst. Okay, now for here DL and JNI. Okay, here you will learn about creating artificial neural networks. Then the course will also take you to computer vision path on how computer actually see and understand images. Then you will understand about sequential data too on how computers remember, and then you will finally understand about how transformer work, like our ChatGPT, our BERT model, Google Gemini, and how to fine tune. Okay, so this is more modern. Okay, here it is more structural but less practical. Okay, since it is an intro to DL and JNI. Okay, so like because it's like introduction, so it's like less practical. Okay, and thus it is not enough to get job as an deep learning engineer. Okay, after completing this course, but it lies in foundation for your future courses in our deep learning. Okay, now about this project structure. Okay, this is where the whole choice come. Okay, so if you will ask like should you take BDM or your GenAI project, I will always be taking GenAI project. Okay, so the reason is this, that I have done BDM project 2 term in my diploma level. Okay, and always I failed it. The reason is because it gets rejected multiple times. Okay, like for example, the once I submitted the pages were more, you should have only 9 to 10 pages, then I have not contacted in real business. So like they told that it's not a registered business, so submit again. And then finally when I get to a real business, the time was like ultimately over and I can't able to submit on time. Okay, if you can find your business, you could also go through your Kaggle datasets and external datasets to do any problem. Okay, maximum grade you could get is your D or E grade. Okay, so for 2 term I like backslash the whole BDM project. Okay, but for GenAI project I scored A in my first attempt in September 2025. Okay, so from my experience, the GenAI project was far better than the BDM project. Okay, project is structure is that the first is that you could get rejected, okay, in your proposal stage, in your mid submission or your final stage, okay. And here if you like fail, you have to submit the whole work again, and plus you have to wait like 1.5 months, okay, for your next submission cycle. In contrast, here in GenAI, you are given whole 2 month time to make an project here, okay. So here it is far too better, and here you need to find a real business to get your project done, okay. So like if you are like introvert like me and don't love talking to startups or like problem reaching out to startup etc, then it will be very hard for you, okay. So here basically the project is very easy as long as you find a startup for you, okay. Here in GenAI competing in Kaggle directly, okay, they will give you the whole problem statement, so you don't have to worry about anything here, okay. It's very easy to score good, and there's here no rejection system like our BDM project, okay. Just that you need more practice here, okay, since the course of our DL and GenAI is not enough, okay, to practice it. Now here I also now the final conclusion, okay. So like here BA project is all about making important decision for the business using statistics, okay. It's all about Microsoft Excel, Google Sheet, Tableau, etc, okay. And for our GenAI, it's all about modern AI models like our ChatGPT, Vision Transformer, etc, okay. So it's more modern AI friendly, okay. And it's all about sitting at the desk, watching the numbers and make important decisions, okay. Here finally you will get job very fast, okay, even after the diploma completion. Here it is less coding and less math stress, okay. And here it's very easy for your business roles, okay. For our GenAI, if you are like really serious about AI and can devote to make like more portfolio, then it is very much recommended for you, okay. You don't need job as soon as possible, and it's a and it will take a little longer, but it will have your very much high pay than your business analytics, okay. So the job roles you could target is data analyst, business analyst, BI analyst, and your product analyst. And for job roles in our GenAI, you could target your ML engineer, AI engineer, deep learning engineer, and the GenAI developer, like making RAG agents and etc, okay. So here the particular pathway decide on what dreams you have, okay. So I hope you take your important decision here. So that's all for today. Thank you and bye bye.